Welcome to the third part of the video tutorial about the SWAPP, the Spotfire Web Application for Pipeline Pilot by Discngine. In this video, you will see how to design and register a pipeline pilot protocol for the SWAPP.
We will use the example protocol cluster molecules for this tutorial. This protocol adds new columns, a bar chart, and displays a gallery of cluster centroids. Let's start by having a look at the component collections required for the SWAPP to work. The components are available in the Discngine folder. In this collection, two types of components are available. The dark blue ones are used to manipulate the data flow on the pipeline pilot side. The green components generate instructions to control the Spotfire API. For example, the components in the folder Real-Time Synchronization helps the developers to maintain synchronized copies of Spotfire data tables on the pipeline pilot server. The folder Visualizations contains the components to generate new Spotfire visualizations programmatically. Now let's look at the protocol itself. The first part of the protocol reads data from Spotfire and creates molecular clusters. The top branch will prepare commands for Spotfire to add the clustering information columns, create or update a table plot, and create the bar chart. The bottom branch prepares the gallery of cluster representatives. Here we use the standard reporting collection components. The last component collects JavaScript and HTML content to be executed in the SWAPP panel. Once the protocol is saved in the XMLDB, it needs to be registered to be exposed in the SWAPP interface. The registration process happens in the SWAPP panel by opening the admin page from the cog button and pressing the button Register New Protocol. After selecting the protocol, the SWAPP generates automatically the form elements required to capture end-user parameters. Then, we will define how the protocol should appear in the SWAPP menu bar. From there, any user connected to this environment can select and run the protocol.
Thank you for watching this tutorial about the SWAPP. You can reach out to us using this email address, connector@discngine.com.